Today we have bring something very special for iPhone users. In this video we will get to know how to export all your data from iPhone to computer or Mac with just a single click, including photos, documents, contacts and videos. Everything can be transferred within few minutes by using the iCareFone application. Not just that, but you can also find out if your phone has been repaired or any of its part has been replaced. You can check that as well with the help of this application. With its highest success rate and positive reviews on its official site, it's one of the best applications for iPhone users, and I will definitely recommend iCareFone application to anyone if you want to make backup of your file and want to know what part has been repaired on your iPhone. Also, if some of the application is banned in your country such as BGMI or TikTok and all that stuff, you can download that application with the help of iCareFone. You can also make a backup of your iPhone data at your computer, which can be restored to any iPhone later on. And the best thing is that it's totally compatible with iOS 17 and iPhone 15 model. So first of all, simply download your desired version from the official site, which I have mentioned down below. After downloading, install the iCareFone application at your desktop, and you can see this is the main interface of iCareFone application. Now simply connect your iPhone to the desktop, and as you can see, the iPhone has been connected to the PC. As I mentioned, you can do inspection of your iPhone with the help of this application. By clicking on test report button, you can see everything is normal, but the battery has been replaced, which has abnormal status, and it also shows the device has disassembled, which is quite true. You can test your iPhone parts as well if you have brought used iPhone from the market. Let's jump to manage tab. As you can see, from all these applications you can export data from iPhone to desktop. As we don't have any audio file in the iPhone, so it's showing empty, but if I click on the photos, so it's showing some deleted photos as well, which I currently don't have, but still I have option to restore them to the desktop. So let's just select all of them, click on export and select the location where you want to export them. You can also change file format of any file. For example, if your computer doesn't support some of the file, so you can change its format as well. Then just click on next, and within few seconds your photos will be restored. Obviously it depends on your data. So let me just show you that in the PC. It's quite easy to use and anyone can use this application. Even if you are not familiar with the computer, you will be able to use the iCareFone application. You can also export all these applications as well. If I click on the contacts, so I have just one contact in the iPhone which is showing in the application. You can export all of them or select any of your choice contact. Just click on export, and after selecting the location, all your contacts will be exported in no time. Let me just show you that exported file as well. So here it is on the desktop. You can also manage your application. For example, you can update or delete any of the application from your iPhone, and you can also import files from your computer to the iPhone. By clicking on import button, you can import anything to the iPhone. It can be photos, videos and documents. Everything can be transferred from Mac or computer to the iPhone very easily. So I think now you don't need to worry about transferring data between iPhone and computer, as the iCareFone has made it very easy for all the iPhone user. You can also make backup file of all your iPhone data by clicking on the backup and restore button. Just click on backup now, and you can make backup file from your iTunes, iCloud and your device data as well, which can be restored to any iPhone model later on. You can also find similar photos at your iPhone, which will help you to make some space at your device. So these were some very useful feature of Tenorshare iCareFone application, and to be honest, it's very useful and quite easy. I will definitely recommend this application to all the iPhone users, as it would be very easy to make backup file, restore data to the iPhone and find repair iPhone as well with the help of iCareFone application. So that's it. Just let me know your opinions in the comment section down below regarding this application. The download link is also mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.